Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. AI is changing the way we work, study, and even plan our daily lives. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to make your everyday tasks easier, faster, and more efficient. Let's jump right in. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that helps you with almost everything: writing emails, brainstorming ideas, creating schedules, and even coding. Think of it as your personal assistant that's available 24/7. Getting started is easy. You can access ChatGPT in two ways. First would be through a browser by accessing chat.openai.com and sign in. You can also access it on mobile by downloading the ChatGPT app on iOS or Android for the on-the-go access. Now let's explore some ways ChatGPT can make your life easier. First would be through writing emails and messages. Need to send a quick email but don't know how to word it? Just ask ChatGPT and it will generate a polished draft for you. Planning your day and managing time. ChatGPT can help you plan your daily tasks, create reminders, and even suggest time management techniques. Adding instant answers and research help. Whether you're researching a topic or need a quick summary of an article, ChatGPT can provide clear and concise information in seconds. Meal planning and recipes. Stuck on what to cook, ChatGPT can suggest recipes based on what you have in your fridge. Learning new skills. Want to learn a new language or improve your coding skills? ChatGPT can provide a step-by-step lesson, practice exercises, and explanations. Here are some tips to get the best results from ChatGPT. First would be to be specific. The clearer your question, the better the response. Use follow-up questions. If the first answer isn't perfect, refine it by asking for more details. Try different prompts. Experiment with different ways of asking to get better results. And verify important information. That is how you can use ChatGPT to improve your daily life. From work to personal projects, this AI tool can save you time and effort. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments how do you use ChatGPT in your day-to-day life. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.